So again, tutoring the day after school, and this week is the last week of new grades for the 9 weeks, and all work is due next Friday, and then spring break. Adding polynomials is combining like terms. Okay? Combining like terms. Stuff we've done before. Cool? Do that. Don't do this, do that. Okay? Finishing up. Okay, so combine like terms. So that means you're only going to combine terms that are the same, like the x's are the same and the constants are the same. Finish? All right, turn in. Do that one. Finishing up. Okay, so here we go. What are my like terms? I start with the highest power, which would be my x's. On the warm-up, you'll see I have a regular x, and I have a minus 2x. Notice, the sign in front of the 2 goes with it. It's a minus 2x. Okay, so let's zoom in here. To do it, okay, no. So this is really a 1x and a minus 2x. What's 1 minus 2? Do your quiz. Don't look at me. What's 1 minus 2? Close. Negative 1. Okay. Negative 1x. Again, if you're not sure, use your calculator. Okay. And then my constants, my numbers without variables, 3, positive 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is what? 12. Now, usually you see it as this, negative x plus 12. Okay. That binomial expression is the answer. You're just simplifying it. You're just adding polynomials together. Okay? Cool. You don't have a test or a quiz? Do this first.
Before we do it?
No, I definitely did not. You write quiz or test, and you do that first. Please. All right, number 2. Combining like terms again. Now, the highest power I see is x, right? So I have a negative 6x plus a 2x. So I'm going to combine the highest powers, which are x's, together. What is negative 6 plus 2? What? Negative 4x. Very good. Again, if you're not sure, use your calculator. Okay, negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4x. And then my constants, 15 minus 10. What's 15 minus 10? Positive 5, so plus 5. Okay? That is a review of what we've done before with combining like terms. And that's exactly what we're going to do today on the notes for adding polynomials, which I'm going to pass out right now. Again, if you're testing, just put this off to the side because I need you to finish your test or your quiz first. Not sitting there looking around, please. All right, make sure you get this done today. Pass those back after you're done. Yep. All right. So again, if you're not testing and not quizzing, then here we go. We're going to do this. Don't look at me. All right. Don't look at me. All right. So 3 steps. And this is what we already did on the warm-up, so it's going to be like, what? We already did this. First step, you're going to identify your like terms, okay? Highest to lowest. That's what standard form means, okay? You're going to add the coefficients, okay? And then you're going to write it in the simplified expression standard form, highest to lowest. Do the test first, and then notes after. Okay, now, example 1's already done, but I can tell you what they did. They found the highest power. What's the highest power you see here? 4, highest power, the highest exponent or degree, okay? So they combine those. Negative 5 plus 17 gives you 12. And then the next highest power is the 3's. That's going to be 3 and then 1. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4. For x's, we only have one x, so I'm going to just bring that down, negative 10x. And then I have two constants, plus 1, minus 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Okay. Now that one's already done, so don't have to worry about that one too much, but let's go ahead and look at example 2. Okay, so looking over here on example 2. What's the highest degree that you see, or the highest power or exponent? Okay, you'll see the fourth degree is the highest degree, so I'm going to underline that one. 7x to the fourth. Are there any other x to the fourths? X to the fourth terms? No, so I'm going to bring that down. 7x to the fourth. Okay. All right, now the next highest after fourth is third power. Do I have any third powers? I have 2x to the third, and then what's the other one? Minus 5. Very good. So it's not plus 5, it's minus 5. So I got a 2x to the third minus 5x to the third. So the question is, what is 2 minus 5? Negative 3, x to the third. Very good. Now, the next highest power is 2 squared, and I only have one squared term, so I'm going to bring that down. Bring it around town. 4x squared. Then my next after squared is just regular x, which I only have one x term. Bring it down, plus 10x. And then I have one leftover constant, minus 9. Bring that down as well. So notice there were only two terms I could combine that had the matching powers. Okay? 3. Same idea. So what's the highest power you see on number 3? The highest degree or exponent. Fourth. All right. So I have x to the fourth, and it helps you write the little one there. Do I have another one? 3x to the fourth. Combine those like terms. Add them up. 1 plus 3. 4, right? Now, the most common thing is people would think, oh, there's nothing in front of x to the fourth, so they just write 3. Well, no. Remember, there's a 1 plus the 4, so it's 4x to the fourth. Now, the next highest power is 3. Do you have an x? Do we have an x to the third power somewhere? Yes. Is there another one? No. So let's bring that down. Plus 2x to the third. All right, x squared. I see one right here, and that's the only one that I see. So I'm going to bring that down too. Minus x squared. Okay, after squared, now I just have regular x. And what am I going to combine here? Five x and 5x. They're both positive, so 5 plus 5 is 10x. And my constants I have are left over, negative 4 and minus 8. What is negative 4 minus 8? So it's already negative, and you subtract, it gets more negative. So you actually take the 4 and the 8, add them up, and it's a negative answer. Negative 12. Here's the calculator to prove it, okay? So if you're not sure, calculator helps you. Negative 4 minus 8 is negative 12. Cool. So again, you're just combining the coefficients because it's adding in the middle there, okay? All right, one more. So highest power I see is fifth power. That's the only one. I'm going to bring it down. 7x to the fifth. The next highest power I see is here you go. Yes, fourth power, which is 3x to the fourth and minus x to the fourth, which means minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2x to the fourth. My 3's, I have a negative 1 and a negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1 is what? Negative 2. So minus 2x to the third. I only have 1 x squared, so plus x squared. I only have 1x, so plus 2x. And I only have 1 constant, minus 5. I can only combine when there's more than one of the same type of term, same degree term. Okay? And that's it for the notes. It's just combining like terms, stuff we've already done, but we're kind of leaving our polynomial unit with this type of stuff. So I'm going to pass out an assignment on this, and you should be able to do that. If you're taking a test or a quiz, you definitely need it done today.